Good morning, grade 8. It is Wednesday, May the 13th, and we are moving into the last few lessons on World War II, and today we're going to focus on the atomic bomb. So, uh, chronologically, you can think that the war is over in Europe. We've talked about the fall of Berlin, so that's the end of fighting in the European theater. But the Japanese and the Americans primarily were still fighting in the Pacific theater, and the atomic bomb was the end of fighting in the Pacific theater. So you're going to go to this slideshow, and the objectives for today are to learn about how modern technology, so the atomic bomb is a piece of modern technology, how it was used. You're also going to think about how it influenced decision making, so strategic thinking, and you're going to talk about or discuss some of the ethical implications regarding use of a nuclear weapon. So in order to be successful today, you have to watch the video that's on here. You're going to read several slides, and there's some photographs there. Those photographs are primary sources. Remember, that means it's something that was from the time period that it's taking a photograph of. So it's not a reproduction later. It's from that time period. And then what you're going to do at the end of this is you're going to go to this document, which is some questions to answer. So what I'd like you to do is just make a copy of this. Make sure that you put your name up here. Also, please put your typing in red, so that way it's easy to see. There are 8 questions, so it goes onto the second page, so don't forget that. They're not difficult questions. They do require you to do some thinking, though, and that's going to become important for tomorrow, because we're going to have a Zoom conversation where we talk about some of the ethical implications. So start thinking about that. So go through all of these slides. There's a video on this slide. This is President Harry Truman. So you're going to talk a little bit about him, or learn a little bit about him, and then discuss the implications that he had with the atomic bomb. And then this document, if you click here, that'll take you to this. And that's what you make a copy and submit to PowerSchool Learning. If you have any questions, you can always email us, and we will see you on Zoom tomorrow. I think that's everything. Have a great day.